I'm with the wonderful Masa from Asian Inspirations, and today we are cooking noodles.
So we're going to be cooking Yaki Udon.
Yaki Udon.
So Yaki is pretty much if you cook anything on fire.
Yep.
So it could be in a frying pan or it could be in an oven.
Yep.
And today we're going to do a stir fry.
Amazing.
First of all, we're going to start with the pork belly.
Amazing.
Yep. We've got a bit of salt and pepper mix here.
Beautiful.
So we'll season it a little bit lightly. If I can also get you to just clean up the capsicum and slice it up for me.
Yes.
And also a few leaves of cabbage.
Yep, I can do that.
So I'm going to just tuck the pork in. Let's also get you to open the udon noodles.
I would love to open the noodles for you. Do you know what I love about these noodles? Is that it's already got the portions made for you. So one little bundle is for one person. So this is really technically going to feed three.
Yeah.
Are
Also,
we going to cook all of it?
No, we'll probably cook just 2 bundles today.
Okay,
Also, the amazing thing about these noodles is it's 100% Australian. It's 100% organic.
Too. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
I love these noodles. There you are.
And very filling. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
We already got a pre-boiling water here. Fantastic.
Beautiful.
Yep.
And the sauce. Would you like me to get on to making the sauce for you?
Yes, please. Soy sauce.
Beautiful.
Oyster sauce.
All right, so then 2 tablespoons of the mirin seasoning.
Yes, please.
1, 2.
Give it a bit of a stir.
Beautiful. All right, so our sauce is done.
Fantastic.
The pork belly and the onions have cooked down, the noodles are on, and essentially when the noodles come out, we're gonna add the rest of the veggies, add the sauce, toss it together,
Exactly.
and there is a delicious yaki udon dish coming our way.
Exactly.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Too easy. So the noodles are cooked. You're going to crank the heat in the wok now.
Yep.
And this is where the yaki comes into the udon dish itself. Would you like me to go in with the veggies for you?
Yes, please.
Amazing. So
Thank
the
you.
cabbage and the capsicum,
Dunk it all in.
straight in. And then the bean sprouts. So you've just blanched these. So they're still crunchy. Can confirm, still crunchy.
Yep.
Good blanching.
Thank you, chef.
This is so easy. What a great dinner. You know, midweek dinner, you come home from uni, from work, the kids are hungry, and it would be probably a 15-minute dinner, I reckon, start to finish. Like, it's so simple. You can pack as many veggies as you want into it.
Yes.
Change up the protein. As long as you got a really, really good quality noodle. These hakubaku noodles you can find at any supermarket, which is really, really good. Look out for them. And this dish, is this like a traditional dish? Is this something that's very homely and hearty back in Japan? Like, what's the story behind this dish?
So Yaki Udon, it's actually an alternative for a Yaki Soba, which is quite famous in Australia as well.
Yep.
Very famous Japanese stir-fry noodles.
Yep.
Yep.
Yum.
So after the World War II, I guess, what happened was they couldn't get any soba buckwheat and they couldn't get any soba noodles.
Yep.
So one of the chefs, they decided, okay, maybe we should try udon noodles instead.
Yep.
And his customers, they absolutely loved it. And that's how it spread.
And that's how it was born.
Yeah, that's how it was
From
born.
running out of soba noodles, they changed to udon noodles, but now you can enjoy both versions of.
Exactly.
Amazing.
And on the recipe, it's just cabbages and capsicums, but you can use any vegetables you like, whatever's left over in the fridge. And we'll add the noodles.
Beautiful, I'll let you do that. So we'll give that a good toss, add the sauce in. I'm gonna get a plate, then I get to sit back and enjoy one of Japan's greatest noodle dishes. That looks and smells amazing, Masa. I'll put the bowl here.
Some bits of the pork as well.
Colourful, the vibrancy of that lightly kissed capsicum on the wok, and the cabbage, the noodles. Yum.
Thank you.
It smells like fire has kissed this dish. Should I try it?
Yes, please. Be my guest.
I'm going to be very harsh on you, Masa. I'll try some of the noodles first.
And if you want to spice things up, you can also put a bit of chimi pepper maybe, or a bit of beni shoga, perhaps a bit of bonito flakes. Also change the flavor. All good?
Oishi.
Oishii? Yokatta desu.
Amazing. Yum. The noodles are perfectly cooked. They're so gorgeous. You can smell the smoke. You can taste the smoke. The veggies are still crunchy and fresh and vibrant. That pork belly, That is an excellent dinner. I'd be very happy if I had this cooked for me on a weekly basis.
Thank you very much.